Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to access your student email account. The first thing you need to do is look at your printed schedule that you received at the time of your registration. And at the top of the printed schedule, you'll see your email address is printed on there. The username for your email is the part of the email address that is before the @ sign. So in this case, your username for email would be email demonstration with the number 2. The way you access your email account is you would go to the Lawson's main webpage, which is www.lawsonstate.edu, and you'll scroll down near the bottom right hand side of the webpage. You'll see a green envelope that says student email. Click on that and read all this information about the student email account. It covers a lot of things, and then you can, if you have any questions in the future. One thing you'll notice in the middle here is the default password for everyone who is beginning in the fall 2012 term. If you're a new student and this is the first time you've registered, it was fall 2012, this will be your email password right here. Continue to scroll on down the page and you'll see a link that says student email hosted by Google, and that is the link you want to click on to get to the login page for your Gmail account. Okay, this is where we'll put your username and your password. And for the username, remember from my schedule, my username was email demonstration with the number 2. And you see it already has the @students.LawsonState right here, so I don't have to retype that in the username field. And the default password is ABC12345, then the asterisk, which is the Shift 8, the character on the number 8 key, so that's an asterisk. So I'm going to click sign in after I enter those two things. And then I know I've successfully gotten a log on here because I've got the welcome to my new account verbiage that you'll need to read through all that, and then scroll down and click that you accept or cancel if you're not ready to accept. So I'm going to click accept. Now the first thing it's going to require is that you change your password. The ABC12345 asterisk is just the default password to get you in the first time, and then you have to change that. So I'm going to retype that ABC12345 asterisk into the current password field. And then for the new password, it has to be, your password must be a minimum of 8 characters. So you can use letters, of course, numbers, special characters. So I'm going to type in my new password that I want to change this to. And once you've changed this on the password, write it down so you don't forget later on when you're ready to log back in again. You want to remember your password. So I'm going to click submit. Now, depending on Google's security for your account, you may receive a screen that asks you to key your username and your password, and then it may ask you to type a series of letters just for verification purposes. So anytime you see that screen, you want to type those characters that it shows in the area above there. Just read the instructions on the screen for that. And remember, until you've gotten to this screen that says current password, new password, you have not changed your password from the default. So at this point, I'm ready to submit my new password. You'll notice here that it says my strength of my password is strong because I used letters and numbers in my new password. So I'm going to click submit. And once you see the loading screen, if you're using Internet Explorer, I always click no to this security warning about displaying content that was delivered securely. Once you see that screen, you are successfully logged in with your new password. So jot that down. If at some point you cannot remember your password or you're having trouble logging in, send an email from your personal email account to the email address helpdesk@lawsonstate.edu. Give your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your student ID number, and the last four of your social. And then the personnel on our help desk will reset your password and send you notification of that change. And so accessing your email for Lawson State is just that simple. If you have any questions, just email helpdesk@lawsonstate.edu. Thanks.